Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can edit or customize resume templates in Canva. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first let me go to the templates. Just go here in templates and you can search for resume. Here we have lots of resume templates, so you can use anyone or you can start from create blanks. Okay, so I just take this one. Okay, go to the customize these templates. Okay, here one more thing, when you select any resume you can see there is a more resume which similar to this. You can also select from here. Okay, go to the customize these templates and here we have that templates. Okay, here you can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, like this. So we have these templates. There's a many things you can change or customize. So if you want to edit this image, you just right click on it, detach the image and just delete it. Now you can upload your own image from here. Go to the upload file and upload your own image. It will be uploaded here, and you can once it's uploaded you can simply drag it on the that frame. Okay, if you don't like this frame you can again detach it. Okay, here shows. Okay, here the frame you can replace it. Go to the elements, search for frames. Here we have frames. So if you want to this that type of frames you can use it. Okay, so if you want this frame you can just keep it, just click on it, it will be inserted on your resume. You can delete that existing and just resize here like this and keep at the middle like this. Okay, and now you can put your image into it. Okay, so there is a many things here. We have the one page, you can add more page, so you will have the blank page here, or you can simply what you can do, go to the duplicate page, so you will have the same page, same another page. So now you can edit from this page also. This will be same themes. Okay, here the text box you can change the that place. Okay, or you can simply delete that elements and you can start to edit this second page as per your requirement. Okay, so let me come to this first page. So here we have the title and text. You can edit it. Just double click on elements and start your name. Here their designation or your job applications positions name. Here's your introductions, here context. Okay, you can rewrite your intro like this. Okay, just double click on it and just write it. Okay, if you want to change this font you can select the all text, go here, change that fonts. You can also increase that font size and you can make it bold. You can also change that color if you want. You can do anything, and if you want to apply this text style to all resume fonts, just go here, just copy that font style or text style and select every fonts or text to apply. Okay, like this. This is our bullet, so you can just make it bullet again. Okay, now you can copy this style and paste to the another bullet points like this. Okay, so you need to manage everything because your font style has been increased, so you need to keep all on perfect align like this. Okay, so here I'm trying to show you how you can copy your text style. Okay, and here you can add some graphics if you want. Here, go to the elements and here we need to search website, and here go to the graphics. Here you can give, you will have that graphics of websites, so you can simply select that and put here as a icon. Okay, and write your website here. Okay, like this. Add your text. Okay, now also you can copy that text style here, and okay, here also we have websites. What you can do, just here, just double click on that elements, keep the cursor here. First you need to copy it or cut it by clicking Ctrl X. Double click into that elements, put the cursor on the start, and you need to paste it by entering Ctrl plus V. Okay, let me go here. Okay, you can do one thing, put elements here, and you need to icon, need to put on the just on the front like this. Okay, you can also use your keyboard mouse, sorry, arrows, then place it on perfect place like this. Okay, you can also change that color. Here you can see, same as you can search for contacts, so you can put this graphics icon on the front of your numbers. Okay, so here we can change education and all skill also. Okay, you need to just double click on that element and you can change the text. Okay, you can simply edit your text. You can also add more image as I show you and edit your text. Okay, so that is how you can edit your resume templates in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.